Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 16.1.2 update not showing on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap Date and Time, tap Time Zone, select your country or city. Turn on Set Automatically. Then go back setting page, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap VPN Device Management, tap iOS 16, tap Remove Profile, enter your passcode, again remove it. Tap Not Now, then go back General page, tap Software Update. iOS 16.1.2 is showing up. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.